Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. Today let's see how we can easily read and write large numbers based on the Indian system of numeration. So you look here, you've got a large number here. Can you try reading this number? Do you feel it's a bit confusing? Now let's see what we can do about this today. So right now, I'm going to put the same number on a place value chart. So what you see here is the place value chart based on the Indian system of numeration. So you can see all the places marked here. You can see the places from ones to 10 crores here. So you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and so on here. And you also see a few of the places are formed into groups. So here, the ones place, tens place and hundreds place are grouped into the ones period. So each of the groups is called a period. So here you have the ones period with ones, tens and hundreds. And here you have the thousands period. And thousands period has got thousands and 10,000s. And then the lakhs period. The lakhs period has got lakhs and 10 lakhs. And then the crores period. It has got the crores and 10 crores. So you see, the ones period alone here has 3 places in it. The ones, tens and hundreds. All the higher periods have got only 2 places each. So which are the periods in the Indian system of numeration? That is the ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So we have got the same number written on this place value chart here. Now let's see how we can read this number. So the next step is to separate the periods in the given number. How we can separate periods in a given number? We can insert commas in between to separate each period. So this is going to make the reading much simpler and easier. So let's see how we can insert commas in between. So here you see the ones period and thousands period. So let's insert comma in between these 2 digits to separate the ones and thousands period. Now let's separate the lakhs and thousands period. So I'm going to insert a comma here to separate the lakhs and thousands period. Now let's separate the crores and lakhs period. So I'm going to insert a comma here, separating the crores and lakhs period. Now that we have inserted commas in between to separate the periods, the next step is to read the number. How do we read the number? We have to read the digits that come under the same period together. The digits coming under the same period are read together and the name of the period will also be read alongside. Let's see how. You see the digit here, 3. 3 comes under the crores period. So it will be read as 3 crores. So here we have 3 crores. Then the digits 3 and 9 come under the lakhs period. So these 2 digits 3 and 9 will be read together as 39 and the name of the period, that is lakh, will be read alongside. So this will be 3 crore 39 lakh. Let's see the rest. Now the digits 1 and 4 come under the thousands period. So this will be read together as 14,000s. So this will be 3 crore 39 lakh 14,000. Now in the ones period alone, the digits will be read separately based on the place value of each of the digit. So here it will be 210. So the given number can be read as 3 crore 39 lakh 14,210. Now that we have inserted commas and separated the periods, can you see how the reading became much easier? So here these digits are in the ones period, these digits are in the thousands period, these digits are in the lakhs period and this digit is under the crores period. So From the given number in this form, we have inserted commas to separate the periods, and now we can easily read the number and write its number name. Now let's do one activity. So here you have got a question. Insert commas according to the Indian system of numeration and then write the number name of this number given here. You may note down this question and this number in your notebook. Then take a pause, finish this activity and then come back. Hope you're done with that activity. Now let's see how we can insert commas in between. I hope you have already done that. So where you start counting the digits to insert commas, remember the ones period alone has 3 places. All the higher periods have got only 2 places each. So from the extreme right, you start counting the digits. So to separate the ones period first, let's count 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. So here we insert 1 comma. Now for all the higher periods we have only 2 places. So after every 2 digits you have to insert a comma in between. So here we have separated the ones period. Now let's separate the thousands period and the lakhs period. Now let's separate the lakhs period and the crores period. So we have inserted commas and separated the periods. Now can you try reading it? This will be 3 crore 78 lakhs 64,250. So did you all get the same answer? And did you get the number name right? Now let's see what is the expanded form of a number. So you see this number here. Can you try reading it? It is a 3-digit number. It is 325. It has got 3 places. Which are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. So let's see the place value of each of the digit in this number here. What is the place value of 3 here? 3 is in hundreds place. So its place value will be 300s or 300. And what about the place value of 2? 2 is in the tens place. So its place value is equal to 2 tens or 20. And the place value of 5, which is in the ones place, it will be 5 ones or 5. So you have all the place values here. Now what if I add all these place values? You have written the place values from the digits in the given number. So you can say this number contains all these place values, right? So let's try adding all these place values. So we have written the numbers in proper columns. So here in the ones place, what is the total? It is 5. In the tens place, we have 0 plus 2. So here it is 2. And in the hundreds place, we have 3. So when you added up all the place values, you got the same number we were given. So you can say the given number 325 can be expressed as the sum of the place values of its digits in order. See, the number can be expressed as the sum of the place values of its digits in order. And this form is called the expanded form of a number. So what is the expanded form? Expanded form is a way to write a number as the sum of the place values of its digits in order. Hope you're clear with that. Now let's do a small activity. You may please note down this question in your notebook. Write the expanded form of the number given here. We have already inserted commas in between to separate the periods, so you can easily read the number and then find the place value of each of the digits in the given number, then express this number in the expanded form. You may take a pause now. Please pause this video, finish writing this one and come back. Hope you are done with that activity. Now let's see how we can solve this question. So what is the number given to us here? How many places are here? We have got 6 places here. And can you say the place values of each of the digits here? See, the number here is 1,57,289. So let's see the place values of each of the digit. The place value of the digit at the highest place. Here it is 1. The place value of 1 here is 1 lakh. Then the place value of the next digit. 5 is in the 10,000s place. So its place value will be 5 times 10,000 or 50,000 that we have written here. Now the next digit 7. 7 is in the thousands place. So its place value will be 7 thousands or 7,000. Now the place value of 2 will be 200s or 200, and the place value of 8 is equal to 8 tens or 80, and the place value of 9 is 9 ones or 9. Now how do we write the expanded form? We can write the number like this: 1,57,289 equal to 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 9, which is the sum of the place values of the digits in order. So I hope you are clear with this now. Now let's talk about what is the standard form or short form. Here you can see the expanded form of a number. You can see a few place values are shown as added up here or as a sum here. Now we have already seen in a previous example that if you add up the place values of an expanded form, you can get the actual number or the numeral. So I'm going to add up all these place values given here. So I've written the numbers in the proper places so that the digits under the same place come under the same column. Now let's add these numbers. So here in the ones place, you have got all zeros. So I'm going to write 0 here. Then in the tens place, we have got 4, then 3, then we have 5, then we have 7, then we have 2, and then we have 8. So when you add up all the place values given in the expanded form, you get the numeral. And this is called the standard form. So when you add up all the place values in the given expanded form, and you also insert commas in between to separate the periods, now this form is called the standard form or the short form. Now let's do one activity. Please note down this question in your notebook. Write the numeral for this one. So you have got the sum of the place values here. You have to write the standard form of this expanded form. Please pause this video, finish doing this activity and come back. Hope you are done with our activity. Now let's see how we solve this. See, first step is to write the given place values in proper places. The next step is to add up all these. So here we have in the ones place 5. Then in the tens place we have got 4 here. Then 0 in the hundreds place. Then again in the thousands place we have 0. In 10,000s place we have 3. Then in the lakhs place we have 0. In the 10 lakhs place also we have 0. Then in the crores place we have 2. So what is the numeral for this? It is 2,30,045. This is the standard form of this given expanded form. Do you get the same answer? So children, I hope you are clear with the topics that we discussed today. Now as an activity for the day, you have to go through the topic periods in Indian system of numeration starting from page number 2 in your textbook. Then you have to also go through the solved examples given in page number 3 and 4. And also move to exercise 1.1, and then you have to complete the question numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your notebook. Make sure you write the proper date, you write the question numbers and the questions correctly. And once you are done with all the questions, please do take a picture and send us through Teams. We'll also be uploading worksheets and notes based on this class along with this video in our school website. Make sure you go through it and submit your works in time. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.